Hey, what's up, guys? Wanted to go back out to the favorite bashing spot, the V, but guys, today the weather is very nice. Easter Sunday, bunch of people picnicking, doing picnics out there in the grass, right in the middle of my bashing spot. So I had to leave. I couldn't bash my RC, so came in here, the backup spot, little construction site. There's a lot of weeds growing on the ground, rocks. Not really the ideal bashing spot, but I'm gonna bash this guy here, so we'll see how it does. Out here, so rough. Really don't need a bash. Breaking something. Oh! There's a little jump there. Oh, it's a huge rock there. I'm gonna watch out for. Oh! Oh my God, there's a lot of rocks here. There's a little launch there I can aim for if I don't hit any of these rocks here. This is so rough. Oh, I keep forgetting to trim the body. Oh, nice little jump there. These half an inch offset wheels, Louise T-Pirates tires and wheels. At full steering, it rubs the body a little bit. And you'll hear that once I do some of these turns here. I keep forgetting to trim it. Broke the front body post again last time. HobbyKing US warehouse ran out of stock, man. That thing is very annoying. The front body post, the body mounts. You land upside down, man. That thing's gonna go. It's weaker. It's probably weaker than the wing mount. I've broken 3 of them already. So right now, I took the broken piece. I just use some Gorilla glue. Just kind of super glue it in there for now. But I mean, there's no jumps here, but you know. First real jump I do, if I land upside down, man, that thing's gonna go. Oh man, that missed. Ouch. Ouch! Man, I took a hit. Oh man, hit that rock right there, man. It's like riding a rodeo here, man. This guy's all over the place. Oh. Oh man. Ouch. Oh man. Ouch. Oh my God, man. This guy taking a beating out here. Oh Jesus, look at that, man. Took a big chunk out of the A-arm there. Yeah, these T-Pirates, man, these are good. These are really good tires. Oh! 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 Ah! Ouch! Dang! Oh man, this is guy okay, man. Bounced up, came back down, took a third hit right here. Seemed to be okay. Jesus. Oh! Gotta check the screws tonight, man. Some of these screws are probably gonna come loose. I'm just trying to line up for this jump here. Can't even do that. There's way too many rocks out here. Pretty weak. Alright, see what's over there. Slightly smoother over here, maybe. Oh! Oh! Oh my God. Dang. Let's check what, push my battery back a little bit. Oh man, it slipped forward. Oh, dang. RPM mud guard that I have in the back, man, it's doing its job. Definitely. Oh, Jesus. Definitely blocking out a lot of dirt. Oh man, that's gotta be a ESC, man, with the sand getting into the fans and stuff. Oh, no. I think there's some debris got into the spirit gear there for a second. got into my wheel here. Hopefully it's not going to stay unbalanced. Oh. Oh. Dude, this is some serious bashing, man. That does not sound good at all, man. Oh, oh, ouch. Man, this guy's taking some serious beating, man. My wheel was kind of crooked. Seemed to be okay still. Oh, man, my left front wheel is towed out by a lot. What happened? Did my adjusting links get stripped or something? Readjust it. I think I'm gonna call it a day, man. This guy's taking enough beating. A little too rough for this guy. If this guy was a monster truck or something with a higher clearance, this would be fine, but yeah, I gotta figure out why. Yeah, the toe is the left wheel, actually both of them. Yeah, especially the left. Yeah, I gotta adjust the links there a little bit. Alright guys, that was fun, but it was very rough for my buggy. I gotta go home tonight and clean it up and see what else what I broke. It's in one piece though. It's good. Thanks for watching.